Good Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole. Your mobile blog is for toctown.com. I just wanted to share with you an inspirational piece for the fall season. And this was actually my first sewing project that I was privileged to make with an expert seamstress. And this is the one that I recently, or actually just all the time, share about my first project and the first person that taught me how to sew other than my mom. Well, she recently passed away, meaning a few years ago, and I thought about the project that, she just courageously helped me through it. I was definitely a beginner and wanted, just visions of grandeur to come about. I will have a full picture of what this sleeveless long dress with a split lined. You can see how even just sergering, and this fabric is at least 4 or 5 years old, maybe even 10 if I remember accurately, and used her serger, wrong thread, lined it, didn't get all the seams to just come crisp as you're supposed to when you're lining. And of course, I just washed it. I didn't prep it by ironing for the video yet, but I'm going to be doing something new with it this fall. I haven't decided what yet. I have a lot of the fabric on both sides to go through, maybe about 2.5 yards. So, whoops. Maybe about 2.5 yards. So just looking for the other portion of it. It had a shawl that went with it, which is, a smaller size and more for me to handle. Look at that. That's just from being inside the container for so long. I never even wore it after, like, maybe the first summer. I wore it to a couple of events as well as some road trips. So pretty much this is a wonderful fabric for the fall season, and I hope to have something new ready for 2022. So just wanted to make myself accountable by sharing it with you. So if you want to stay tuned, be sure to subscribe to toctown.com. This is one of the projects that I'm working on the Express for myself. Alrighty, until we meet online or face to face, be blessed.